guys, another day, another video. Feels like a while since I said that because truthfully it has been a while. I haven't been making videos as regularly as I used to, but we recently just hit 6,000 subscribers on the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, whether it's the same group of people, unique users coming in just doing a little YouTube search of sneakers. Very much appreciated if you stop by the channel in one way or another. This recent 6,000 subscriber feat motivated me to put out some quick video. This one package I just got in the mail this morning, so want to just live unbox it and show you guys what I picked up. Fact of the matter is I'm not buying sneakers too much these days. I'm really not buying a lot these days other than like clothes and going out. I've just been really busy with work, so I haven't been knee deep in the game as I used to. Anyway, before we dive into this package, the best way to keep up with me is on Instagram at StuffDylanLikes. You know, I'm more or less sharing the daily wears, and slowly but surely I'm also clearing out the collection, so be sure to check out my eBay page. Got a lot listed and have a lot more to come, so tap in. Again, links in the description. Anyway, this package comes from a local boutique that I've purchased from in the past called Alumni of New York. They have a few locations here across the city. I saw on their website, or actually I got a newsletter email that they were doing a huge sale with an additional 30% off, so picked up just a few things. I really limited myself here. I had a ton in the cart, but I ended up only with two things, one of them being a pair of sneakers, the other just a t-shirt. Check it out now. And truthfully, if your money is right now, definitely go look into these boutiques. I think they're trying to clear inventory, just sort of given the nature of the economy right now. People are spending less, so they're just trying to dump a bunch of inventory. But anyway, there's my receipt. Not gonna show you that since it has my address. Got a little thank you card from them. That's nice, a little 15% off. Purchase, alumni sticker. Love all the little extras. But we could get into the t-shirt really quick. Yeah, I got the Stony on. I've been trying to buy more and more kind of quality clothes or clothes that I could wear for a while. This one, not gonna take it out of the packaging, but it's a Carhartt work in progress t-shirt and like they call it dark umber is the color. Cool shirt, summer coming up, gonna be pulling out the t-shirts. But this is what we're here for. This is what the channel exists for. It's sneakers. This one, just a run-of-the-mill gray New Balance box. No specialized made in USA or made in England one here. Taking a look at the label, it's a New Balance 580. These New Balance tags also show the colorway, which is cool. And then you could also see the style code there. So if you're a long-time viewer of the channel, you'll know I'm a size 9.5 by nature. But this is actually my first pair of 580s, and I did some Googling, and they say they do run kind of big in the toe, depending on who you ask. So I don't know, we'll see. But here they are. These are a pair of the New Balance 580s in the Workwear colorway is what they're calling it. You know, other than the official one called brown yellow, they call it the Workwear. And it does look kind of chunky in the toe, so we'll give them a shot. Do a live little try on real quick. And also, truthfully, the size 9 is the only one that they had left in stock that was remotely near my size, so figured I'd try to size down and see what happens. But yeah, these are a made in China New Balance, so very much kind of just like a generic GR or general release sneaker that you could pop into any sort of boutique or retailer with a New Balance account. Likely you'd see these sitting on the shelves. Just some quick first impressions. This nubuck or suede, can't even tell, it might just be like a generic felt. Isn't so great. I mean, comparatively speaking to like a made in USA or made in England pairs of New Balances that I've been buying recently. Otherwise, the materials are pretty nice. It's just like this essentially ripped fabric, not ripped fabric, but it's essentially just some fabric hits. Would I call it nylon? No, it's not quite nylon. Colorway definitely not built for the upcoming spring and summer months. This is more so like a fall wear, but I love browns like this. I think this brown and yellow contrast is really nice. You get some black contrast as well as the reflective hits both at the end logos and at the back tab here. Let's see, thick foam midsole with this roll bar support here. This reminds me a lot of like the New Balance 999. I know there's a nice write-up done by Brendan Dunn on the 580, so I gotta read into that a little more. I didn't mention it, but I got these for like $45. I'll pop in a screenshot of the receipt here. I got these for an absolute steal. So yeah, when you factor in it's not quite my true size or the size that I would buy versus how much I paid, I figured, hey, I'm willing to roll the dice to see how it fits. So let me actually do a live fit right now just to see how they fit on my feet, just to sort of give a better first impression here. Okay, so Yeah, you could get away with going down half a size. These fit pretty snug, but these New Balance runners are meant to fit pretty snug. So yeah, I'm actually kind of stoked about this. These fit very nicely, and when it cuts to the seams on feet, don't mind the Nike socks. It's kind of just what I'm wearing around the house today. But yeah, wow, this is a good buy. $45 for these. If they're still available, I'll drop a link. But yeah, $45 for these is not bad at all. This is more or less going to be a one take with, you know, me cutting out a lot of stuff. But if I have any additional thoughts, I'll pop them in. Otherwise, that wraps up the video. Let me know what you guys think of this pair of New Balance 580s. Let me know what you think of the deal. And also, just thank you so much for 6,000 subscribers. I'm very thankful, again, for all of you watching, tuning in one way or another. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Check out the eBay, all linked down below. And we'll leave it at that. Hopefully more content to come. Hopefully this motivates me to do more. With the weather getting nicer, I am wearing a lot more sneakers, so perhaps you'll see a lot more content on the way over these next few months. Until then, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.